Discover 149 plus acres of rolling Kentucky countryside, where a handcrafted timber frame home, guest cottage, private cabin, productive farmland, and exceptional farm infrastructure come together to create a true legacy estate. Whether you're searching for a working farm, horse property, family compound, homestead, or income-producing retreat, this remarkable property offers endless possibilities in the heart of Casey County. From the moment you enter through one of two wrought iron electric gates, it's clear this property was designed for both beauty and functionality. The landscape blends approximately 65 acres of open pasture with 84 acres of mature woodland that has remained largely untouched for more than 2 decades, creating excellent wildlife habitat, future timber potential, and incredible privacy. Natural springs, flowing creeks, established farm roads, and productive land provide everything needed for cattle, horses, hay production, or a self-sufficient country lifestyle. At the center of the estate stands a truly one-of-a-kind white oak timber frame home, offering approximately 3,500 square feet of beautifully crafted living space. Recently enhanced with new true log siding and a metal roof, the residence combines timeless craftsmanship with modern comfort. Inside, you'll find 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, multiple living areas, rich red oak hardwood flooring, custom cabinetry, and an open kitchen and dining area designed for gathering with family and friends. The spacious primary suite features a relaxing jacuzzi tub, while central HVAC and supplemental wood heat provide year-round comfort. Adding tremendous versatility, the property also includes 2 additional fully furnished residences. A beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2-bath cottage offers comfortable living with new stainless steel appliances, spacious custom decks, and excellent accessibility, making it ideal for guests,